arbitrationagreements.org. If you have an interest in mediation, you might have come across the term mediation clauses and wondered what they are. Today, let's dive into it. But before we get started, please give this video a thumbs up, press the subscribe button, and hit the notification bell so you can stay up to date about important alternative dispute resolution topics, which can help you save time and money. Mediation clauses are provisions in contracts that state that if a dispute arises between the parties, they will first try to resolve it through mediation before going to court or any other dispute resolution process. Essentially, it's a way for parties to agree in advance that they will attempt a peaceful collaborative resolution through a mediator, should disagreements surface. Now, why might businesses or individuals want to include mediation clauses in their contracts? Well, there are a few compelling reasons. First, statistics show that mediation is often faster than litigation. Court cases can drag on for months or even years. Meanwhile, mediation, depending on the complexity of the issue, might wrap up in days or weeks. Second, mediation can be much less expensive than heading to court. Court cases are notorious for racking up legal fees. A study found that the average cost of mediation is about 50 to 60% less than that of a lawsuit. So, if you are thinking economically, a mediation clause makes a lot of sense. Third, the process is confidential. Unlike court proceedings, which are usually public, everything discussed in mediation stays between the parties involved. This can be especially important if you're dealing with sensitive information. And lastly, in mediation, the parties have control. Instead of leaving decisions up to a judge or a jury, the people involved in the dispute work together to come up with a solution they both can live with. This often results in better, more tailored resolutions. So, next time you are drafting or entering a contract, consider discussing the inclusion of a mediation clause with the other party. It could save you time, money, and a lot of potential stress in the long run. For help drafting a customized mediation clause quicker, please visit arbitrationagreements.org. Also, what do you think about mediation? Does it seem like a strong alternative to court litigation? Drop a comment below and let us know your opinion. Please do not forget to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and hit the notification bell so you can receive the latest updates about dispute resolution that can help you stay protected.